Hello, good afternoon. This is Mohamed Kamara. I'm from Africa, that's West Africa, Sierra Leone, and just living in Holland. And from there I moved to London. I'm living here. I have a boy named Sheku Kamara, and he lives in Holland with his mom. And yeah, I live in UK for 3 years since 2009. And most important thing I'm trying to talk about today is about this small boy that you see on the exhibition that standing on the queue waiting for food in Bosnia in 1995. This movement, like a picture like this, all these adults standing on the queue and a small boy standing on the queue, sleeping for a food. Nobody care about him. If somebody care about him, he will not be sleeping on the queue today. But things like this, we will never accept it. As his father, when I see this like this, touch me in my heart, and it bring me down to my knee to see a boy like this in 1995 in Bosnia, suffering, and all these adults looking at him sleeping. Why this will happen in a world, in the civilized world that we are living today, and we are saying that, oh, we care about children. As a father, I don't want to see this, but I can't do nothing about this. When I want, if I don't want to see it, but I already see it. But I'm trying to talk to the world to see and to improve more, and to say to the leaders, whatever the problem is, whatever the case may be, we have to think about what our generation, our young generation, to bring them up and to see what we do in the future. Thank you.